Nextimage 6, Software Tour. Nextimage is the scanning software for Contex scanners. A license will need to be purchased to get the full functionality. Open Nextimage and wait for it to find the scanner attached. There are a number of default presets already set up, or you can save your own one. The Scan tab allows setup of paper size, resolution, and extra options. Soft handling helps with delicate media. Choosing the plus will allow manual size options, as well as oversized features. Image adjustment allows you to change the image type, levels, choosing automatic black and white points if required. Color adjustment, sharpening and smoothing, rotation, and cropping for a chosen size, and resizing. Output file allows you to determine where the image will be saved to. Once you have set up the scan parameters, the Scan button will scan using those settings. Update will apply any additional changes made after the scan. Zoom features allow for closer inspection of the image. The help file is built into Nextimage and will give more information about the features.